This is one of my favorite bedtime stories. It's called The Bear Snores On. And it's by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. You're going to like this one. The Bear Snores On. That looks like where he lives. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growls, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. Hare is another name for a rabbit. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they popped white corn and brewed black tea. Man, they're having popcorn and tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff, snuff at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, but everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They mutter and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the wood, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh, what have they done? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he grumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, look at them. They're all scattering. They are trying to find some place to hide. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, Don't fuss. Look, see. We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Look at him right there. Little bitty mouse talking to that big bear. Look at him. He's smiling now. Bear gulps and he gobbles. He sighs with delight. And then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. They're all asleep. Look at Hare Rabbit and Mr. Mole and Mr. Badger, and they're all asleep. That's a good story. I like that one. Here's Mr. Mouse, who started it all. He's right up there on his shoulder. But Mr. Bear, he's wide awake. He can't sleep now. So I hope you like that story. I like it too. That one was called Bear Snores On. I love you, kiddos.